Hello and welcome to the EasyMake Web Builder training. In this training, I'm going to walk you through how to get started and how to set up your account with EasyMake Web Builder. The first step is head to the navigation bar at the top, and what you're going to click on is the word pricing. We're going to select the word pricing. Once we select pricing, we're going to choose our best plan option, and then we're going to select subscribe. Once we select subscribe, we're then going to go to a page where we're going to order our membership. So we're going to select order now. And then once we select order now, we're going to come to a page where we're going to have three options. The three options are you're going to either register a new domain name, you're going to transfer a domain name, or you will use an existing domain name. If you're going to register a new domain name, you simply type in the domain name that you want to register. So let's go ahead and select the domain name that we might want to register. So I'm going to put in here Darryl EasyMakeWeb.com. We're going to make this a .com, and I'm going to select check. It's going to check to see if the domain name is available. And if the domain name is available, I'm going to select continue. Now let's say we have an existing domain. So we're going to check on I will use my existing domain, and then what I will do is put a domain name in that I want to use. So this time I'm going to use Darryl Montague.com. I'm going to type in the word .com, and I'm going to select use. It's going to check to see if this domain name is available, and if it's available, it's going to bring me to the next step. And in this step, what we're going to select is our plan and any other additional features that we want to utilize. If we don't want to utilize any of the additional features, we're simply going to select continue. Once we select continue, we're going to come to a screen where we're going to put in all of our information after we do the checkout. So now we're going to select checkout, and we're going to put in all of our personal information. Once we place all of our personal information in for our new account, it's going to bring us to a page where we're going to be able to pay for our services by hitting complete order. Once you complete the order, you're going to get an email from EasyMake Applications that's going to give you all of your account details, and then you will begin to build out your website. So this has been a training on how to get started with EasyMakeWebBuilder.com.